Okay, so if you guys noticed recently, I put out a song called Easy that was with a friend of mine named Jimmy Allen. I wrote this song. It's a really special song. I wrote it during the pandemic. A time off as I was taking care of my babies, and that's all I was doing, and eating, and you know. How many people are parents out there? Anybody parents? So you know what it's like. You know, you pretty much are like, you know what, the hell with myself. I think I'll figure that out later on. No, but anyways, it was a great experience. So, you know, actually, I think the silver lining would be that we all got an opportunity to just kind of be home and find out what was the most important, what's most valuable in our lives, you know. And now that things have kind of come open again, when we do come out and when we see we're spending, I mean, look at this, like we're back to no masks, and you know, we're spending time with one another. And this is important, you know, this is very important that we reconnect. So I think this is just kind of one of those songs. And I'd like to say, going forward with more solo music, I'd like to do more stuff like this that has like a little bit of this kind of flavor, guitar-based kind of song. So this is easy. Check it out. 2, 3. Hold on one second. This thing is out of tune. You can hear it? Can you hear it? Listen.
Definitely the guitar, not you there.
Does anybody have a tuner?
I can't do it, right? Okay.
Just give me your...
I suppose I should look first.
It's probably... Give me an A. Low A or high A? Low A. That's good. Give me D. G. Give me a G. That was a little under. B. B. That's the bad one.
Yeah, cookie. I forgot about cookie.
So we got cheese in the cookie.
Nice.
2, 3. Oh my God. Is that a train? We'll go from the pre-chorus, I swear. I think, what? You know what I thought? Actually, I thought someone had it on their phone or something like that. I was like, start over, Nick. Wow. I guess he likes my music. I swear that you got something